Hello, today I'll tell you how to set your own proxies for your Digger in Diggernaut platform. First, let's switch to Configuration Edit screen and find their config part. Add there your own proxy. Please keep in mind that you can use only HTTP proxies. Also, you can add multiple proxies at once and then switch current proxy while your Digger is running. Let's look at most simple case when you have a proxy with access without authentication. So you have to type command proxy and put in IP address of your proxy and the proxy port. If your proxy require authentication, you have to add username, then password, add IP address and port. When you want to use multiple proxies and you have them, you can add them using a bit different notation. In YAML, there is special list type can be used for such cases, and each record in this list should be started with a dash. So if, let's say, you have 3 proxies, you can add them all this way. You can switch current proxy in the main Digger logic. For example, you loaded some page, added something there, and you want to switch proxies then. So next request to the page was made from different IP. You can use a special command called proxy switch. After execution of this command, a current proxy will be switched to the next proxy. If you work with our proxies, current proxy will be switched to the next proxy in the pool. And if you are using your own list of proxies, it will be switched to the next proxy in the list you defined. So if you define just one proxy, nothing will happen, because it will be switched to the same proxy. That's basically all I wanted to tell you about basic proxy usage.